all. Today in this video, we will learn how we can simply break the lines of a content in HTML file. For example, here we have written this line that this is a paragraph with the line break. If we go on the web page and we see that there is no line break in complete sentence. So if I want to have a line break, I mean we want this paragraph to be in second line. So how we can do? So first try it manually. That for example, if I just click enter and try to save and let's see what happens. So you can see nothing is changed. So in order to change this and in order to get the line break, what we will do, we'll just use the br tag and save it and now refresh. So you can see that now this paragraph comes in second line. So if you want to break this in second line like the line break, so we can use the br tag again. So let me just show you here and save this. Now if I click the refresh, so you can see that now the code and now the paragraph is break in 3 lines. So this is the way you can simply break the lines in HTML files. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos.